This is our 28-pound Thanksgiving turkey. This turkey is too big to fit in my pot to fry. So I'm gonna have to smoke it. I've already oiled it down. I'm getting ready to season it now. I'm getting ready to season it. And I'm using a combination of seasonings. Chili powder, onion powder, garlic powder, cayenne pepper, chili pepper, black pepper, accent, and then I'm gonna throw some Creole seasoning on there. And I'm gonna smoke this bad boy. That's the neck that came out of that turkey.
The Cajun seasoning you asked me to buy.
Yeah. That's the neck that I pulled out of there. And then there goes some chicken that I'm putting jerk seasoning on. And then I also have some ribs. And I got some other chicken that I did not put jerk seasoning on. But this bird has been soaking all week. We had to leave it in the sink because it was too big to fit in that bucket. It wouldn't fit in that bucket. So if it won't fit in that bucket, it definitely won't fit in my deep fryer. So we're gonna smoke it. According to the internet, it's 30 minutes per pound. Keeping your heat at about 275, between 350 and 375. So I'll be minding that grill all day, trying to get this thing smoked. We'll give you another update in a few minutes.